Unit 5. Are they your friends? Phonics, letter E.
Hello, students. I'm Renee from TIionng123.com. This is the phonics lesson of English Grade 3. I am very happy to see you again. Learning phonics is so much fun. In today's lesson, we will learn the vowel letter E. This is the vowel letter E. The letter E makes the eh sound. Can you say eh? Good. Now let's do it together. Eh, eh, eh. Now let's see some words containing the letter E, eh sound. Smell, eh, eh. Smell. Tell, eh, eh. Tell. Yes, eh, eh. Yes. Now take your turn to practice the words. Smell, smell. Tell, tell. Yes, yes.
Let's chant.
What's that smell? What's that smell? Can you tell me what's that smell? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. It's burnt shell making that smell.
Now let's sing again.
What's that smell? What's that smell? Can you tell me what's that smell? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. It's burnt shell making that smell. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.